Acme Tool fans, Sadie with DEWALT, and today I'm going to show you our 20-volt XR 12-inch double bevel sliding miter saw. This saw runs off of a single battery and will run off of any of our 20-volt or FLEXVOLT batteries that are available on the market right now. Today we're going to use it on an 8 amp hour. With an 8 amp hour battery, this saw can get 371 cuts in 3 1/4 base molding and 153 cuts of 4x4 pressure treated lumber. A couple features of this saw are a bevel gear transmission and regenerative braking technology, which converts energy when the blade stops to recharge the battery, which helps to offer exceptional runtime and efficiency. Some other cool features of this saw are the adjustable fence on both sides here. You also have a locking mechanism that helps the slide not slide when you don't need it to, that can be moved out of the way when we do want the sliding capacity. You can also lock down this knob right here, which is going to help you adjust the slide to a specific point. And then when this is in transport, we have a locking pin here that lets you lock the blade down. At that point, you can use these heavy-duty handles here and here to help transport this off. Additionally, on the base, we have all the markings for your miter angles and a button on the front that lets you slide and adjust it as well as lock it down. Here in the back is our bevel adjuster and bevel guide, which is going to help you get just the exact bevel that you need. Lastly, I'll show you this light here on the front. This is our cut line light. You can push a button here, or when you tap the trigger, it's going to shine a light down the blade that gives you a very precise cut line to line up with your wood. This tool also connects with our wireless tool control so that you're able to pair it with one of our dust extractors, and when you press the trigger on the saw, it's going to actuate the vacuum, collecting up to 97% of the dust you create. You can find this miter saw at any of Acme's retail branch locations or on acmetools.com.